What's up, YouTube? Don't mind my face, don't even say anything because it's looking crazy right now. And it took literally like every bit of my being to not go ahead and pop like every pimple that I have right now. But today I wanted to do a femme fatale type of look, so that's what we're gonna do. I already got my brows on. It's basically the same thing, so if you want to see how I do that, I do have a tutorial and it'll be up here somewhere. But other than that, let's get into it. So Smashbox sent me some things. They sent me this Photo Finish Smooth and Blur primer, and I'm gonna use that. Also this self-sharpening liner. Black, I'm pretty sure. And then they sent me this like lip tint and like cheek blush type thing, which I already used in like another video. I just used it today for the first time though, and it's amazing, so I might use it again. I just picked up some food, so I'm gonna go wash my hands before I start like rubbing my primer in. I'll be right back. I haven't used this before, so I'm kind of excited to use it, but I don't know how it's gonna go and if it'll play well with like my foundation and whatever, so I guess we'll see. Looks crazy. I'm not even gonna say what that looks like. I'm excited. I don't know how much to use, I'm just using it, I guess. It's very like soft, and it's like an oil-based primer for sure. So I think since that's what it is, I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty foundation. I think it's the Pro Filter. Yeah, the Pro Filter. I've literally been dropping everything today, but it's the Pro Filter foundation. Why was I about to put that in my hand? I think I'm having a stroke. All right. Anyways, let's see how this foundation looks on top of the primer. Some people swear that primer doesn't make a difference, but I swear it does. You just gotta have the right primer. From far away it looks beautiful. Let me grab a mirror so I can see. Oh yeah, no, she's beautiful. And I feel like since this is like an oil-based primer, it's kind of nice to use with like a matte foundation, because that way your foundation won't look like too dry. My skin looks super smooth. Alright, well at least it does what it says that it's gonna do. For contour, I'm gonna go in with this Patrick Tashi Sculpted, because I definitely want to look sculpted. Lately I've been using the Fenty Beauty contour stick in Amber Suede, but I want a little more of a bronzy look. I don't know how much I just recorded because it said that I had no more space on my SD card, so I don't know what you just seen of that, but we're starting to look a little more bronzed and have a little more color on our face because it's looking a little washed out. But for this look, I think you want like a super flawless base, like beat to the gods, like femme fatale, like those bitches be eating men for breakfast, you know what I'm saying? So that's the type of look we're trying to give. So we gotta look literally perfect, but not like we're trying too hard either. Then I'm gonna just set on top of everywhere where I just put the contour with the powder version, just to lock everything in place. And remember to get like a super flawless like airbrush type of look. You only want to pat, you don't want to like rub and smear. I'm looking super chiseled and bronzed. Now I'm gonna just do my nose contour real quick. I do have a nose contour tutorial also, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this off camera just to save some time so that this video is not like 12,000 views long. So I just finished the nose contour, and then basically I'm just gonna go in with this fluffy blending brush from Nova Beauty. Just kidding, I'm lying, it's from e.l.f. and it's just the, I can't even read it, fluffy eye blender brush, that's what it's called. But I'm basically taking the same color that I used for the contour and bringing it onto my eyelid, just so that everything looks super smooth and seamless. You just want it to look like effortlessly chiseled. Emphasis on the effortless, like you want it to look like just natural. And I feel like to do that, you can't have like too many colors going on. And then to snatch the eye, I'm gonna drag it out towards like my temple. I'm like, should we do the blush already? No, we can do it after. What I tell you about me dropping everything today. Alright, so I'm just gonna go straight in with the concealer again. Oh wait, I should wait. So instead, I'm gonna actually go and start the eyes, and I'm gonna use this self-sharpening liner from Smashbox. in the shade or in the color Raven. I'm always like so torn. I never know if I should say shade or color because they're not the same thing, but like you guys know what I'm saying, right? The packaging looks really pretty. It says it's a waterproof kohl liner. I mean, she's strong too. Okay, wait, no, for real. Oh, it's a twist. Just kidding, just kidding. So I'm gonna start with this. Or should I just go in with like a liquid? No, I'm gonna start with this. And we're just gonna do a classic wing. It's very black. Okay, but since I kind of want it like more precise, I'm gonna use the liquid liner. So for the eyeliner, I'm gonna use the MAC Brush Black Brush Stroke 24-hour liner. This is literally my favorite like liquid eyeliner. It's literally so black and it's like such a precise like tip. Like it's really hard to like mess up with this. Let me zoom you up. Also for this look, like even though it's like natural, like it's still gonna be like a bold look. Like not like, I don't know, you guys just have to like wait and see. And then I'm gonna just clean up this side. Are they even? I think so. So now, like I was saying, we're gonna go in with the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Concealer. We're gonna go under the eyes because we wanna make sure that we're looking super bright. I think that this concealer will definitely take us there. Ooh, these headbands like hurt my head a little bit. I always have to like scoot them back every single time because it's like so much pressure. So I'm gonna kind of keep the concealer like in the places where I put it so that it really like brings out like those parts of my face. So like I want to bring it forward. And same thing with my forehead. And then I'm gonna just blend the concealer into my contour. And then to make sure that you don't crease, make sure you blend out your under eyes. Don't even blink or look down or anything, and just go straight in with the powder. For powder, I'm using the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. And I'm gonna set everywhere I put the concealer. Giving snatched. And then for blush, I think I am gonna go in with this Halo Smashbox Sheer to Stay color tint, and it's gonna be in the color Wisteria. And I'm gonna just put that on my hands and blend it out like a little bit just so that it doesn't just all clump onto my brush. She's super pigmented, but she blends out really, really, really. So okay, so it's definitely like way too much blush. So on top of that, I'm gonna go in with this Kosas foundation powder and kind of go over it to kind of like make it chill out a little bit because it was crazy. You can still see it, but it's definitely not so bright anymore because that was a little scary. That was stressing me out. And then I'm gonna also pat this like over my nose just to make sure that my nose is like super matte. Okay, now for highlight, I'm gonna go in with this Cookie highlight from Benefit because she's super blinding and it looks super like buttery smooth on the skin. But it's literally like one of my favorite highlights. And it's like a powder highlight. That's what's like so crazy. Like, and it looks so like you know, I'm obsessed. Like, do you see that? It's like you could literally see me from outer space, and it's perfect. It's like the perfect like pearly color. It's not like gold and it's not like the silver. And I'm gonna use this also for my nose highlight. I don't think I ever switched this for my nose highlight. And then I'm gonna put it on top of my brow bone just to kind of like add to the snatchery that's going on. Now I'm gonna just do my lips. I swear to God, they're like super chapped, so I'm gonna put something glossy on for sure. But I'm thinking like, should I do a red lip? So scary. Oh, actually, what am I talking about? Not yet. Hold on. I'm gonna go in with this Kush Clear Brow Gel from Milk. And then I'm also gonna curl my lashes. Oh my god, I almost forgot to tell you. Okay, so Smashbox also sent me this mascara and I'm literally obsessed. I used it for the first time today. It's the Smashbox Super Fanned Out Mascara. And the wand is like super like skinny, but when I tell you, it works so good. And it's super dark. And it separates your lashes like so perfectly. I don't think you guys really get it. Like, I'm gonna zoom you in so that you can. You see those little lashes? It's so good. Also, I forgot one last step. I'm gonna add like a tiny little like line on the inner corner, like a little baby wing, but it's literally just gonna be a line. Like it's not even gonna be like a wing. Like more intense cat eye. Like literally just like the tiniest bit will make like a big difference. Yeah, nothing crazy, nothing crazy. But yeah, I don't know, like I haven't really used Smashbox before, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm like very happy with the results because the blush is perfect, this is perfect, the eyeliner was pretty nice. I'm just not sure I'm gonna actually use it for this look. I'm gonna just do like mascara on the bottom one, so I don't think I need to do like a tight line. Should I? You know, I'm always tempted. I love tight lining my eyes, but I don't know, I feel like maybe not. The primer is like amazing. Like look at my skin right now. It speaks for itself. For the lashes, I'm gonna go in with this Kiss lashes, the little black dress. I literally always use these, but they look so good. I found it. So it's just this duo glue with rose water and biotin, and it's black lash glue. I've never used a black one before. I always use clear just because black kind of like stresses me out. She's cute though. I'm gonna go ahead and use this because my other lash glue from Lily Lashes is basically out. Let this dry and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. I put lashes on and then I put mascara on my bottom lashes. I did my lips. I did a red lip and I used this Nova Beauty gloss in Dime, the Nova Beauty lipstick in Rosette, and this eyeliner in Coffee. But if you want to see how I actually do it, I do have a tutorial, so it will be like up here somewhere. But yeah, now all that's left is some setting spray, and I'm gonna go in with the Morphe setting spray. Just let that dry. Don't be impatient. I feel super ugly with this headband, so I'm gonna take it off and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. This is the final look. I had to put something on that was giving like femme fatale vibes, like that type of energy, so I'm wearing this. Actually, let me show you. So I have the CD and I feel like it just like screams like femme fatale. So that is what I have on, and then this chain is from Guess, but I got it like 5 years ago, and then just some gold hoops. And the only reason I'm wearing gold is because I got gold nails, and I don't really have that much gold jewelry because I'm not usually like a gold wearer. I'm more of like a silver person, but I've been having to bust out like the few little bits of like gold jewelry that I have. So anyways, this is the final look for the makeup. Take a look. I'm gonna zoom in, and it definitely is like flawless, not doing too much, but then like super bold at the same time. Especially with the red lip. Like red lips just like do something, but you gotta do it like the right way, or you can look like crazy. I feel like, or at least I can look crazy really quickly with the red lip. It's honestly like a pretty classic look, but if you recreate it, don't forget to tag me. But yeah, that's it. I'll see you in my next video.